You don't need to buy into another trend. You need to find your personal style. Hi, I'm Lisa, a personal style enthusiast and fashion designer, and I'm here to help you find your personal style by sharing a few tips. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this resonates with you. So, have you ever looked in your wardrobe and felt like you have nothing to wear? It's not that you don't have anything to wear, it's just that you lack personal style. I'm here to help you find your personal style. It's much easier than you think. Personal style isn't about following every single trend, but understanding what makes you feel good and confident, what makes you feel comfortable, and what makes you feel like you can literally take over the world and be the best version of yourself. Step 1. I want you to open up your wardrobe and find the pieces that you already love. In doing that, I want you to notice the pattern. What are you grabbing the most? What are the textures? What are the colors? What are the patterns or the prints? And what are the fabrics? This will be the building blocks of finding your personal style. Step 2. I want you to go onto Pinterest. This is the funnest part. I want you to go onto Pinterest and I want you to create a board called My Personal Style. Have you done it? On this board, you are not just going to save anything that you love like we do on Pinterest. You are going to be very specific in saving outfits that you love. After a while of saving these things, you will notice a pattern. Maybe you're a neutral girly. Maybe you are a 90s minimalist girly. Maybe you're just a dopamine dresser. Maybe you're a bit of a boho princess. Whatever it is, you'll notice a pattern by what you have been saving. Step 3. I want you to make your lifestyle the center of how you dress. Dressing for your lifestyle. If you're a mom, think, what is practical and does my outfits work in real life? Does it complement school runs, play dates, breastfeeding? Or if you're a corporate girly, is it professional? Does it align with the kind of company you work in? So keep your lifestyle as the building block of your outfit. Step 4. Build a very strong base wardrobe. Start with versatile pieces because this is going to help you in the long run. So not once-off fashion items, versatile pieces that you can wear to work, you can wear for coffee, you can wear to a play date. Think of versatility and pieces that you can mix and match easily, effortlessly. A good black blazer is a very good wardrobe basic because it is versatile, it goes with casual, it goes with formal. A great denim, very important. Does it make you feel comfortable? Are you confident in it? Can it be dressed up and down? Is it a good wash? Does the blue or whatever color you are drawn to, does it go with more than one look? For shoes, think simple and comfortability, very important. If you are a sneaker girl, or are you a flats girl, or are you a heel girl? If you are a heel girl, are they comfortable? Are they timeless? Are they chic? Can they go with more than one outfit? Do you absolutely love it? Because I feel like if it is a shoe that is loud, you need to absolutely love it. A simple basic that I love wearing is a cardigan, as you can see. It goes with everything. I can style it up and down and it's easy for me in my lifestyle. Step 5. This is the fun part. This is where you add personality. And the way you add personality is with accessories, texture, color, prints. One bold, textured or printed item can lift a really basic item. You can use a bold scarf to lift a really plain look. You can use really bold necklaces or earrings or sunglasses to just show your personal pizzazz in an outfit. And this is where your personality just really shines through in your outfits. Step 6. Give yourself permission to evolve. Your style will change as you grow, as your lifestyle changes, when you have kids, when you work. Actually, a very good thing. Like for me, for instance, my style has changed since I became a mom. And that is how you can find your personal style without chasing every trend and with building a good, solid wardrobe with basics elevated with accessories and prints and textures. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if this kind of content resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, mwah.